Do you want to know where Bitcoin will stop? Keep watching and I'll share my technical analysis and also share two great apps that I think are the future of investing. Hi, my name's Dominic Beattie and you're watching Domby Media Finance. Welcome back, and we'll jump straight into the charts. As you can see, I've got my Bitcoin US dollar open on TradingView. If you don't know what TradingView is, then click this link. Let's start off by looking at our past performance. So back in December 2017, we had an all-time high of around about 20,000. The price came all the way up, reached 20,000, and then we had a big pullback, crashed out, dropped below the moving average, and then ranged for a number of months, pushing higher in April of 2019. We'll zoom out and we'll bring ourselves back up to the current prices. So as we can see here, we started pushing a little bit higher here, tested the 13,000 range, and then we pushed higher here towards our all-time high back from 2017. Price tested the all-time high, it was knocked back, and then from this point we had a big push higher. So price continued up and we got an all-time high back in January of 2021 of 42,000. That's where price reached. So if we go over here now to our Fibonacci retracement tool, Fibonacci retracement, and we go from the last push down, which was here at 17,569. So we click there, and then we take price all the way up to the high, which is 42,000. Click there, and as you can see, that's give us this Fibonacci on here. Price, once it had reached the all-time high of 42,000, had a retracement. So this retracement continued all the way to the 50% mark. As we can see here, that's our high. It's then retraced and it's gone into the 50% zone, which is here. So that has given us our retracement. So to find out how high we're going to push, we come back over to the Fibonacci tool, but rather than the Fibonacci retracement, we do the trend-based Fibonacci extension. We then go to the same point that we started with the retracement. We click on there, we go to the high, which was at 42,000, and then we bring it back down to our low, which was here. So as you can see, we've pulled down to the 50% and then we've started pushing higher. Price has gone up and it's gone all the way up to the 1.618% Fibonacci level. So we've broke into that 1618 zone and then we've started pulling back again. Let's see if the retracement works, shall we? So we'll go back to the Fibonacci retracement. This time we're going from the low of the last push higher. So we go there and then we go to the high of that push higher. Move it across to that bottom candle. Where does price pull to? The 50% zone once again. So that's 50% and that's the 618. So we've pulled down to this. We've got close to that moving average again. And then if we pull down and we do the exact same thing with the extension, we can see that price is going to push, or could potentially push, to the 77,000 mark. Okay, I've actually had to re-record this section because as I was editing the video, price has just broken through resistance here. This was our all-time high and we've broken through that now, so we've started heading higher. I've then put my Fibonacci retracement on once again, so I've gone from the low to the new expected high to find out where the retracement could possibly come to after 77,000. And I think traders are going to be looking to reach the big milestone of 100,000 quite soon. So that brings us down and it's reached our 50% level once again, but it's also touching this ascending trend line which comes from the low down here to this high back here in January. So that's given us this trend line, and as you can see, it's been respected in the past, it's been respected once again here, and we've also respected it here before our push higher. So I think we're going to come down and we're going to respect it once more before our next push higher. That next push because I've already put the extension on, which is this section, gives us 100,000. But I haven't stopped there. So if I go over here and click on this triangle tool, and then we go from the first push highest high, which was at 42,000, then we go back to our low, which is here, then to our high, and then to our low. It gives us this triangle. Actually, I've got it on the wrong candle there. There we go, that's better. So we've put all the Fibonacci's in, and if we follow this triangle, we're respecting it all the way up. So if I bring us down, shrink us a little bit, and take us to the point of that candle, we can see that price could potentially get to 169,000 by the end of the year 2021. Okay, so you heard it first here. Bitcoin to 169,000 by the end of 2021. We'll jump back to the camera and I'll tell you those two apps that I think are the future of trading. Well, if you're still with me, thanks for watching all the way to the end. That's my Bitcoin analysis, and you heard it first here. Bitcoin to 169,000 by the end of December 2021. Now to go to those apps that I promised, the two apps that I think are the future of trading. The first one, if we go over to my phone, is Revolut. So we go to Revolut, and this is the app that I use to buy and hold my cryptocurrencies. Rather than actually using leverage, I buy and hold and then sell at the high, buy at the low. Now this is the app that I use to buy and hold cryptocurrency. I will buy it directly through the app, and Revolut is a bank, so it's very secure and it's very popular as well. So you can buy at the current price and you can sell when you want to sell. You've got full control of how you use it. So if we go into the app and we click on this little trading signal at the bottom, there's not much in here at the moment because I've actually got another Revolut account, but if we click on Bitcoin, you can see here that I can buy at the top left hand corner, or I can sell whenever I want. It tells you the news about it, any transactions that I've made, and you can also set up recurring buys. So the first app, I'll leave the link down below, is Revolut. The second app is this one. It's absolutely fantastic. This one, you can't buy crypto, but you can buy commodities, you can buy stocks, and also if you invite your friends and they sign up and fund their account as low as £3, you get a free share worth anything between £3 and £200. So the next one is Free Trade, which is this one. So my portfolio at the moment is up by £5.16. And the assets I'm holding is this one: Semtech, Trip.com, Himax Tech, which I'm looking to sell at the moment because it's falling, MSCI World, and Silicon Labs. Most of those are to do with the fundamentals that are in the news at the moment. So we're looking at coming out of lockdown from COVID due to the vaccine being distributed around the world. So people are starting to book the holidays again because they can see when they're actually going to be going on holiday. So Trip.com, that's a good buy at the moment, or I certainly think it is. And the other ones that I hold are all semiconductor companies that manufacture semiconductors. Now semiconductors are used in mobile phones, they're used in computers, they're used in your TV, they're used in absolutely everything, including 5G. Semiconductors at the moment are the big thing, I think. The price can only go up. So there we have it. Links down below for all the apps that I've suggested, and if you don't use TradingView, I'll also put a link down below where you can sign up using my link, and you get 1 free month before you have to start subscribing, or you can sign up for free. So there we have it, ladies and gents. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, the thumbs down, and if you want to see more in the future, then press that subscribe button and that notification button. Thank you once again. Keep safe. See you soon.